Antarctica, the frozen frontier of silence. Welcome to the land of extremes, where silence reigns supreme and life clings to the edges of existence. Antarctica, the southernmost continent, is a realm of stark beauty and harsh realities. But why is this frozen frontier so devoid of life? Today, we will explore the characteristics of Antarctica, the reasons behind its lifelessness, and whether this phenomenon connects to the flat Earth theory. Buckle up as we embark on a journey into one of the most enigmatic places on our planet. Antarctica is not just the coldest continent, it is a unique environment that holds the record for the driest and windiest conditions on Earth. Covering an area of about 14 million square kilometers, it is primarily covered by ice, which contains around 60% of the world's fresh water. Geography and climate. Antarctica is characterized by its vast ice sheets, towering glaciers, and rugged mountain ranges. The Antarctic Peninsula extends toward South America, while East Antarctica is home to the massive East Antarctic ice sheet. The climate in Antarctica is extreme. Average temperatures can drop below 60 degrees Celsius, 76 degrees Fahrenheit, in winter, with the interior being considerably colder than the coastal regions. The continent also experiences long periods of darkness during winter months and continuous daylight in summer. The continent is subject to fierce winds, known as captivates winds, which can reach speeds of over 200 kilometers per hour, 124 miles per hour. Precipitation is minimal, primarily falling as snow, contributing to the overall arid conditions. Despite its vastness and unique beauty, Antarctica is largely devoid of life. But what factors contribute to this absence of organisms? Key reasons for lifelessness. The freezing temperatures make it incredibly challenging for most life forms to survive. While some organisms can endure cold, the extreme conditions in Antarctica are simply too severe for most plants and animals. The icy landscape lacks the nutrients necessary to support diverse ecosystems. The soil is largely composed of rock and ice, with minimal organic material to sustain plant life. Although Antarctica is covered in ice, the availability of liquid water is extremely limited. Most of the water is locked in ice, making it inaccessible for most organisms. The extreme seasonal changes affect the availability of resources. During the long, dark winters, food sources become scarce, further limiting the potential for life. While Antarctica may seem lifeless, it is home to a few hardy life forms that have adapted to its extreme conditions. Remarkable survivor species like the emperor and Adelie penguins thrive in the harsh Antarctic environment. They have adapted to the cold through social behaviors, such as huddling together for warmth. Various seal species, including Weddell and leopard seals, are well adapted to the icy waters. They rely on the ocean for food and have thick layers of blubber to insulate against the cold. Microorganisms, such as bacteria and algae, can be found in some of the most extreme environments, including ice and snow. These microbes play a crucial role in nutrient cycling, even in such a seemingly barren landscape. This small crustacean is a vital part of the Antarctic ecosystem, serving as a primary food source for many animals, including whales, seals, and penguins. Is it related to the flat Earth idea? As we explore the complexities of life in Antarctica, an intriguing question arises. Does the existence of this barren land relate to the flat Earth theory? Dissecting the connection, the flat Earth theory posits that our planet is not a sphere but rather a flat disk. This belief often stems from misinterpretations of visual observations and skepticism towards established science. Some flat Earth proponents argue that Antarctica is not a continent but rather a massive ice wall surrounding a flat Earth. They may claim that this ice barrier prevents exploration and discovery. However, such assertions are not grounded in scientific evidence. The overwhelming consensus among scientists is that the Earth is an oblate spheroid, a shape that results from gravitational forces. This understanding is supported by centuries of research, satellite imagery, and observations from space. The factors contributing to Antarctica's harsh conditions are well understood through geology and biology. The extreme cold, lack of nutrients, and limited water availability are all consistent with a spherical Earth and the dynamics of our planet's climate systems. The importance of Antarctica. Antarctica is not just a frozen wasteland, it plays a crucial role in the health of our planet. Understanding this unique environment is vital for several reasons. Global climate influence. Antarctica acts as a significant regulator of the Earth's climate. The vast ice sheets reflect sunlight, helping to cool the planet. Changes in this region can have far-reaching effects on global weather patterns. Scientists from around the world conduct research in Antarctica to study climate change, glaciology, and the impacts of human activity. The data gathered here helps us understand the broader implications for the planet. While life is sparse, the species that do exist are uniquely adapted to their environment. Understanding their adaptations can inform conservation efforts and highlight the importance of preserving these fragile ecosystems. The future of Antarctica. As we look to the future, the challenges facing Antarctica are significant, yet so are the opportunities for understanding and conservation. Addressing climate change. As global temperatures rise, Antarctica is experiencing rapid changes. The melting of ice sheets and glaciers poses a threat to sea levels worldwide. Monitoring these changes is crucial for predicting future impacts. The Antarctic Treaty System promotes international cooperation in scientific research and environmental protection. This collaborative approach is vital for addressing the challenges faced by the continent. Raising awareness about Antarctica and its significance is essential for garnering public support for conservation efforts. Educational initiatives can inspire future generations to protect this unique environment. In conclusion, Antarctica is a frozen frontier that captivates the imagination while challenging our understanding of life and survival. Its harsh conditions explain the absence of most life forms, but the few that thrive there remind us of the resilience of nature. As we continue to explore this remarkable continent, let us appreciate its significance in regulating our planet's climate and the lessons it holds for humanity. The exploration of Antarctica is not merely a journey into the cold. It is an opportunity to understand our world better and inspire action for a sustainable future. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Antarctica, a land of silence and scientific wonder. Together, we can continue to unravel the mysteries of our planet and protect its fragile environments for generations to come. For more of this kind of content, subscribe our channel.